I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Check. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the iPhone XS 256GB variant. It is the gold color, and let's unbox it without any further ado. And you can see here is the box of the iPhone XS, and we will remove the seal of the plastic. I already unboxed this phone and used it so that I could give a good review of it. It is overall a good phone at this price range, and it is pretty expensive. And you can see the box, it is premium, as the iPhone gives you a premium box with a premium phone, and you can read these specifications and all if you want to read, and the things, the accessories available inside the box. Here you can read, you can see this, the barcodes and something, and you can see you must not throw it in the bin. And so guys, here is the phone. I packed it in the plastic, and this was the feel when I first unboxed it. And you can see opening the stickers right away. And if you want to see more unboxing, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, and we will keep the plastic aside. The golden color looks awesome. Don't go for the black color, it will be like just like iPhone X. And let's see the accessories available in the box. And here is the box. Let's open it. And now I'll take it out. I don't know why this DSLR is not focusing. And here you can see the lightning earphones and the lightning cable and the lightning charger. You can see the slow charger, and I'll keep it back. Here's the box. Now let's see, this is the package, and now we will close the box. Now we will straight away see the phone. So guys, here is the iPhone XS or XS 256GB variant, golden color, premium feel, glass back body, and here are the speakers, the and the lightning charging port, and no headphone jack, earphone jack as always. And you can see the dual cameras, the flash here, and the volume up down rockers, and the silent button, and there's the power off. If you have to turn power off the phone, you have to click like both these, then it will power off, not with the. And now I'll start it up. Let me start it up guys. You should wait until I start it up. And it's now on. You can see I'll turn it on. Your passcode is required to enable Face ID after you turn on your device, and let me do it. And it is open now. You can see it has very less bezels as compared to the iPhone XR. If you want to see the unboxing of iPhone XR, it is in the description below. And let me show you the case of the iPhone XS, and now I'll put it in the case for protection, you can see, so that it doesn't get dents or some scratches, and like this. And now we will turn up brightness to the full like this, and these are the controls. You can go like this, like up this. You have to swipe down from the upside right, and for the notifications from the left side of the notch. And you can see brightness, volume full, and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all the options for the torch, and stopwatch, calculator, and everything are here. And now the Face ID is enabled. So guys, this is the phone. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel APS Check. Click the bell icon for more unboxings just like that. Check description for more information.